Hey, what's going on YouTube? I figured I'd do an unboxing video for you guys. I haven't done one of those actually. Uh, so yeah, I already got it half started because I forgot my camera downstairs, and I figured I was like, oh, let me do an unboxing video for you guys. But here's what I got so far. I mean, I already started it, so. But let's just continue it. Oh, but anyway, you know what? Yeah, I got like 150 feet, I think, of this. Yeah, I can't remember. I think it's 150 feet for the speaker wire, the highs and mids. And then I ended up getting, oh man, let's see. Oh, this was heavy. Oh, that's right. I ordered these guys. The 6 terminal, or terminal leads or whatever, for the battery terminal. Let's get a little minus there. That's neat. Oh, nice. Got a little plus on that one. That's pretty cool. Alright. And a bunch of fuses. A fuse box or fuse holders. Some fuses. Some heat shrink. So this is what I've got so far. And let's see what's inside the box. This is from Sky High. Got 25. Copper tinted lugs. Nice white heat shrink. Let's try this guy. What is that? Got some 2-watt on here. Big motherfuckers right here. Got a spool plus more of 0 gauge OFC. Sky High. And then I got some black for the ground. And that's my unboxing. A wire. Wire. Nothing but wire. Oh yeah, and all these fuses, fuse holders. These things came out pretty cool actually. They're really cool. So yeah, I hope you guys liked everything. Like the video, subscribe, give me some subscribers, and we'll try to get these in as soon as possible. Alright, thanks guys. See you later.